Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I will be showing you how to make a delicious gizzard suya. I am Rosie, you are welcome to my kitchen. Here I have some chicken gizzards which is nicely washed already. I'll be using some garlic, onions, ginger, chicken seasoning powder, salt to taste. I will transfer the gizzard inside a clean pot and I will press in the garlics, grate the ginger, and you can also blend them as well. Add diced onions, seasoning powder, salt. Stir to combine everything together. I will be leaving the gizzard to marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes before putting on the stove. And I will not be adding any water. Gizzard contains lots of water. I will leave it to cook in its own juice. I will cover and then leave it. When it's time, then I'll put it on. Here I have onions and some bell peppers. I will slice them into big chunks like so. And they are nicely washed already. Cut the bell pepper, take out the seed and slice. And that is done. I will put this aside. So here is the gizzard. The gizzard is been cooking now for about 25 minutes. I will check, and once the gizzards are ready, I'm going to take it off the stove and then separate it from the stock. You will need oil and you will need Suya spices for this recipe. You will need skewer. So I have the metallic one and the wooden one. You can use either one. Add some soya spices to the gizzards. And this is homemade soya spices. The recipe will be coming up soon. So mix it together. And I'll pass it through the skewer like so. If you are using the wooden one, you have to soak it for at least 30 minutes before using it. So add onions, then add gizzard and bell peppers. You can arrange it anyhow you like it. It's totally up to you. I will repeat this process until I am done with all of the gizzards. So I'll take a skewer and then pass the gizzard through the skewer. I'll follow it with onions and add the gizzard, add the bell pepper, and then I'll keep repeating the same thing until everything is done. And that is done. I will brush them with avocado oil to help them stay moist while grilling, and you can use any oil of your choice. And that is done. I will transfer them to a grill and then grill it. So once one side is ready, I'll flip it to the other side. So you can also use oven to do this as well. So if you're grilling it in the oven, once it's ready on one side, you flip it to the other side, and then from time to time you have to brush it with some oil, and the oil is going to help the suya to stay moist and not dry when they are ready. Again, I will brush with oil. And once they are ready, I'll take them off the grill. I will repeat this process until I am done, and I will serve with some suya spices by the side and some chilled drinks, and they tasted so delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.